I always find it so amusing that we have Purim before Pesach. Pesach, we want to come and clean out the home of Chametz. Purim, we bring a heck of a lot of Chametz into the house. Food that is bitty, nuts, or whatever it may be, just like mamash, I think everybody knows. I saw one sefer that says something very nice. Sefer says that B'dafka we bring in Chametz because there's a good point of the Jews brought out here. We say if there wasn't Chametz in the house until Pesach, we bring in Chametz. That the Yidden, Baruch Hashem, we kashan, yashan, we don't have Averis, it's a schus, it's a merit. It's a B'dafka we have to bring in a little bit of Chametz in order to clean Chametz. Shows the goodness of the Yidden. There's another Nakuda as well, which is very beautiful, which is brought by the Pilzno Arba and the Mekubalim, B'Shem HaMekubalim, and the Pilzno Arba brings this idea in the name of the Mekubalim. And that is, when we are preparing 30 days prior to the Chag, cleaning for Chametz, there is a physical cleaning. However, the Mekubalim explain, Alpi Pnimius, there is a spiritual cleaning as well. And what it takes is to put our emotions into cleaning, put our hearts into cleaning. Have the ability to recognize that when we're cleaning the house, the house is like us. The different rooms in the house are like different midos. And what we want is to go into this particular bedroom and, I found this little crumb. This is anger. I'm now going to sweep it up. I found this little crumb. This is lust. I'm now going to sweep that up. This little crumb. This is jealousy. I'm now going to sweep that up. And as we look for chametz, and as we pack away chametz, as we clean the chametz, we should have in mind, and this is what we said the Pilzno Arba brings, b'shem ha'mekubalim, we should have in mind that we are cleaning up, we're clearing up, we are bringing together all the different negative midos that bring us further away and down from the intimacy of relationship. And then when we come to the 14th, we start this journey of cleaning the house once again. And Baruch Hashem, we could be excited. Look at this. I've searched out and there's no chametz in the house. Look at this. I'm working on myself, Kedusha and Tahara. And the Mekubalim explained that HaKadosh Baruch Hu helps us. He sees us, the Beira Olam, the cause of all causes, sees us physically cleaning. And we take the yain and put it in a cupboard. We take the mashka and put it in the cupboard. We take the pasta or we take the bread and we're labeling it up. We're throwing it out. If it's, if we're getting rid of Pesach, chametz mamash, whatever we're doing. But Hashem sees us working on our avodas Hashem. Every single day He helps us. And then when we do the cleaning on the 14th, it's mamash Baruch Hashem, we've done a tshuva. And then we have to then do another burning the next day. Halacha l'maaseh, because we need time to eat. We have to have chametz in our rishus until mamash Pesach. But the pnimius, the Mekubalim explain, is that then I just do a quick chazara and then I let go and burn all of that chametz. The beauty of letting go and releasing. Because at the end of the day, this is what holds us back. All our guilt, our shame, our lusts, our insecurity, our anxiety. This holds us back from closeness of relationship. So Be'ezras Hashem, we can mamash be Isaac in the deepest cleansing, the deepest cleaning.